Yo! Sorry I'm so late. We gotta go in just a moment. Alright, give me just 1 minute. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Where the fuck? Hold on. Alright, start with BTC, I guess. I'm gonna drink it. That leg hurts. Well, like $3,000 on my account in the last like week and a half. But the last 2 trades I lost. So I'm taking a little break. Well, I won 1 trade in the middle of it, but it was so minuscule, it doesn't even matter. It's like, what's like for a Happy Meal. Anyways. I'm still in this idea here. Right? We still have a long ways to go, unfortunately, on the daily. To see, you know, what I mean by that, this could amount to a huge drop off. We have no idea how far, you know, and make this invalid. I'm still with the idea that 1 or 2 things are this: we're either we're actually impulsing up for this final impulse right here for 5, and this is 1, this is 2, this is beginning of 3, 4, whatever, you know. Son of a bitch. Thank you, bro. I thought I did. Thank you. 3, 2, 1. I guess it didn't actually click. Ugh. This kale and spinach B12 energy type drink. It's disgusting. Oh, shit. If anyone's wondering what this line is, it's a trend line from this low to this low. Broke it here. Seeming to be in a channel between this line and this trend line. Anyways. So, again, 1 or 2 things. We're either in this giant 4, and as this time until this time to correct, which will make sense, or the giant 4 is done correcting here, and we're actually impulsing up for a new impulse. And this is right 1, this is 2, this is the beginning of 3. Well, we look at this 1, 2, and then this should be a massive 3, like this, to turn this into this. Right, and then this would be invalid at that point. This would be a smaller degree, large degree, right. one thing that makes me not really run with this is when I look at other coins such as Litecoin. This low is broken. Not so much Sol. This low here broke. I know on Bitcoin, it's not. I know on ETH, it's not. But that retrace is so far. It's beyond 95%. That is not impulsive nature in terms of Elliott wave, if you've studied wave theory. Particularly new wave theory. Typically, once you break 80%, 88 is about the max. But on close, it has to be 78. Or the 0.78, the blue line I have here. You can wick down here, but you can't close below this line here. So this means to believe, you know, this is still a giant. It's going to end up being a giant running flat. Anyways, let's do something here. Okay. The first level you look for a C wave to hit for a retrace is here. We blew past that. Second level is the 1-to-1. It's about here. The third is the 1.226, which at that point I think it will make it so we're invalid of the corrective phase. Actually, no, it's a lie. I, for some reason, still think this C wave is not done. Why? I don't know. I still think it has some more juice. I'd be very surprised if Bitcoin is. Not very surprised. So we can retrace here. Technically saying, we have extended enough in terms of price and time to assume this is over. Definitely there. And this already, I've already studied, this builds a relationship. Passes at 6.8, 6.8. So I'm going to be the one to start saying that this is an ABC for now. This isn't done quite yet. Now to figure out when a logical place in terms of time and price is along this move. If it's in terms of time, it's about this level I have already marked. In terms of price, it's the 38% level, which I already have marked right here, I think. Oh, I was wrong. Right there. So in order for us to assume this correction is done correcting, we have to either correct in terms of time until here, or in terms of price until here. Whichever happens first. As long as we do that, we can assume that's a logical buy. In terms of if this is going to truly be a C wave that's still extending, or an impulse of wave 3, sub wave 3, right? Okay, again, if this was going to be a more impulsive idea where this is wave 1, this is 2, this is getting you a massive 3, this would be 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, which then will be this 3 here, right? I don't know. I assume I prefer that this would happen, but if we start retracing below this level here, I'm gonna be very wary. The reason why is because there's a lot of not support. What do you call it? There's very valid order block in this area. Also, both with that 38% level we're talking about. One thing I like to see on in terms of direction is daily momentum. We're pretty negative here. See that? Ugh, I drank the wrong drink. That's disgusting. So I would like to see this flip positive before we take any extreme longs. We could take it stabs at really good bottom and stuff like that, but you wouldn't want to go all in or anything like that. You would want some more confirmation to go heavy into a position. Origin chart is pretty, man. SR chart is pretty good at turning of direction. So we'll see. I personally think it's going to be like this. If we go below this level here on a close, then this is invalid, and we are in a more bearish phase, and that C wave I'm talking about is done, and we should be looking for a buyback opportunity, not much lower, but lower. Let's say we're wrong, right? Say we're wrong. Say we're wrong, and the C wave's done. And the bears get their moment of glory for about a week. You'd expect to bounce in these two areas. Here, in terms of this Fibonacci. And here. I don't think it'll go much lower than that if this is going to be a true flat. Maybe a wick down into this area, but we cannot close down here. Mark some order blocks. Let's find some prominent order blocks that we could pull off of. This one is really good right here. Boom. I've never retested until right here. Barely though. It's beautiful though. Beautiful thing. That's confluence with that 1.618 extension we're talking about. 6.8 extension. Down here, there's not really many, except this little one right here. Beyond that, if we are truly going to work down here, then it'll be right here. So if we're wrong, then those levels I'm talking about will be broken up here. That level specifically. And this will end up being a 1, 2. There's probably a massive 3. Probably bounce right here like 4, then 5. Then this will be our rally. Where's Giants 4? Look at that. I really do think we're in a 4 stuff for some reason. Just because this low here gets broken on so many other coins. Well, not so many other coins, but Litecoin specifically. And the fact that it retraces 95% on ETH makes me believe it is also a leading diagonal. Thus, I must assume, since that leading diagonal got fully retraced, we're expecting a C wave at some other points in terms of flats. This is where it's tricky. There's clearly a 5-wave impulse from this low. It's clearly done. It's clearly happened. In terms of time, it cannot correct in more time than this move here, because then it'll turn into it'll invalidate that in terms of time, because your subwave should never be of more time than your bigger waves. And it's about this 1-to-1 here. So we wouldn't want it to correct that long. It would be bad. I already have a note of that right here. See how well it's for. I'll put it out on this time frame. Turn positive here. Negative there. Oh, SRSI confirmed it right there. So far, so negative. So if this could bounce, turn positive in the 4 hour, then I'll lead me to believe that this is the bottom for now. And we're going to rally up. And then this ends up being a larger flat. Which should be it. But at the end of it, it should still be a sell. Reason why? Because we haven't retraced far enough. But time would start becoming a huge factor. Alright. ETH. Same idea. ETH in a slightly different phase. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, another reason why I think we're in a B in a C with in a giant flat. This A, B, C. Not a three-way pattern, but I guess totally retrace. I think we're due for to see this here. All right, so hypothetically, let's just assume This is one of the reasons why I think we're not done with the C wave. Because some coins haven't hit a logical turning point in terms of price. Right? So, for me to believe this, I think ETH will have to at least break. Not believe it, but to really believe that we have a chance of turning around for the top of this C wave here, we have to be hit this golden area. So 1. Daily momentum 2 is negative. Some hidden divergence here. 0, 1, 2. I already marked out this order block, as you see. That's X. If the daily open tomorrow, whatever, or even the next day, close above this level here, then I would be one to say that this is all the retrace and we're going up now. I personally don't think that's the case. The reason why I think that's not the case is because this is like a weird diagonal that ended here, and coins like ETH need to correct some time. It's like A, B, and a C like this. Is that a real rally? That's my preferred count there. Yep. Levels real quick. Cool, do it. All right. So now that you see, I'm pretty much on the same idea as ETH. We're wrong with this idea in terms of immediate downside if we start trading over to 786 of this current move down, which is about here. Well, it is right there. It's not about there. It's right there. Trade above that, and I think that we're more bullish, which makes it have some confluence with the daily order block right there. Or not, daily order block. We swept the low of yesterday, the daily low of yesterday. So if we do not bounce from here, there's going to be a cascading effect to the next support zone, which is about this level here, followed by this level here. I think we hit here, bounce up here, get all this resistance, fall down, get row support. Hit the row order block and then bounce higher. All right, Sol. Sol again. Sol, as the rest of them, interests me. I can't decide. Is this an ABC here? Freaking hands hurt. Ooh. Shit, wrong thing. Yeah, see, we didn't retrace enough into the price. So it's going to have to be time. I guarantee it. As with the rest of the coins, I really think we're in a C wave, in a B wave, or A, B, in a corrective phase still. Here's a hot spot. Bare minimum, we'll have to hit here as soon as this is over. That's a 1-to-1 has to confluence at the bottom of this range here. So maybe price does come way down here. I think this is like a weird 1-2 in here. Gonna be maybe 3, 4, 5 wick there, then rally higher. If the bulls can't regain positivity on the 4-hour, I have no choice but to assume this. The daily also has lost positivity. Hourly still positive, but I don't think it's going to last much longer. All these hidden dibs, 0, 1, 2. If we start trading below this level here, the bulls are in a lot of trouble and this idea becomes true. I was also thinking it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here's 2. Probably retest this area again. 3, 4, 5, and then we rally. The hourly built pretty well though. Leave this on. Oh shit. Oh god, I didn't even see your fucking chat thing. I didn't know you were even awake. My fault. The best way I think we could do tag team or whatever duo is if we host it through Discord, because Discord, you're able to easily screen share in a giant room amongst each other in chair, and you have rights to do it there. You have permission. So I'm thinking on Sunday we could test it out in Discord, and I'll just record it on using Loom, so that anybody who misses the live session could just go to the Loom I record and watch it. Guys and done. God, that's so beautiful. Sorry. Someone text me. All right. So, it's quite beautiful to see. It's positive, positive, positive. Confluence with the positive here. Even with the division, it does not matter. You just keep going higher, higher, and higher, and higher, higher, higher. Tide does not change until actual momentum changes. Is that funny? Dude, I was super salty. I missed. I told somebody to. I was trying to buy Kishu. I fucking slayed this fucking chart. It's gonna work. I don't know why it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Is that how small it is? Why doesn't it work? Who has... Don't understand. Why can't I see this? Holy shit. My buddy made like $1,200. He's like, yo, how many calls for me? I'm like, I think this coin's gonna fucking pop. And it fucking did. And I forgot. I was trying. Totally forgot about it, honestly. And he messaged me the other day. He's like, bro, your call popped, bro. Ugh. Ugh. Should be anyway going crazy though. It's nuts. Okay. I think it's gonna do something similar. 1 year, 1,000. 1 month. 1 week. How do you look at it on a trading view? I did it on my fucking phone. Oh, this is Coinbase. It's stupid. I hate Coinbase. Here we are. There we are. Holy shit. No. This shit's straight running, bro. Damn. See, you can't slack in this fucking... Let's see here. I'm trying to see here. Man, that would have been a great dip to get in on. Yeah, anyways. Right here. I'm assuming this is such a simple, easy consolidation to buy into. And I was caught slacking on vacation. Christ. I see how much room. I honestly think it's gonna run possibly all time high, just like fucking the other dog coin that just popped off. Honestly. Look at that fucking volume. Jesus Christ. Jeez, I am hurt. Oh well. It is what it is. This thing straight running. This looks like a triangle though. So this looks like a 5 of some sort. I think this is a massive 2 actually. Here. I'm going to attempt to pull, if this actually is a fucking, let's see here. Oh no, I like wave symbols. So like 1, 4, 2, 3. This is a 4. We're in 5. This is going to go somewhere in this area. Because it's very sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this was rent it to the all-time high, I think. Man. Easy long right there. Fucked up. Oh well. It is what it is. I made a shit ton of money on Sol. I was too busy on Sol, that's why. But this one would have been easy, even more. I don't know. That's fucking stupid. Anyways, back to business. Yeah. So unless Sol can regain this little area here, I'm not gonna really confident in us going higher, man. We regain this area. Levels. Here. Okay. Okay. I think overnight we're probably gonna rally, but I'm gonna look for a sell probably above that high. There's potentially a truncation here since ETH broke that low. Damn, that coin looks completely different. So it's like a, yeah, this was like a correction that's ended here. It's about to go like this. Look for this area to end here before the rally. So yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna rally overnight, but it's gonna be a sell. Pretty good reaction off that daily low. This one stops. This is pretty engulfing candle here. 1 hour trending positive. If you start trading below daily open, it's immediately invalid, which is at 3,922 on ETH. On Bitcoin, our daily open is 58,490. Sol is 184. XRP looks really good. Turns up and move up. It's definitely not a triangle. Why? This broke the low. So it can't be like A, B, C, D, E, whatever. I guess it can. It's a wave 1, 2. As soon as we break this high here at 1.019, I think that immediately it validates this as like a 1, 2, 3. This ends up being little ABC here. Invalid if we lose the daily open immediately. Very curious though. This could actually be a larger move up too. Let's see here. Let me actually try to buy some XRP. See what happens. Hit the golden pocket. What seems to be a pretty strong C wave. I don't know. I think I might try to risk it. Put stop around 96 cents. See what happens. Is this larger idea? Let's check time though. Time will be crucial. If it takes as much time, it takes more time. So I think this is going to end up being ABC then. And this ends up being like that. If anything, this takes too much time compared to this to say this is 1, 2, 1, 2. The only thing bullish that could be happening is this, in my opinion, for now. Immediately invalid below that level I say at 96 cents. Alright, cool. Alright, I'm actually done. I don't know if you have last minute questions. Let me know. Let me know. I'm gonna get out of here. Oh shit balls! I'm calling someone. Okay, all right, guys. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. Hope everyone has a good one. Make sure to always practice good risk management. Make sure to always have a plan. Study, plan, execute. All right. Manage yourself. Manage your emotions. Stay humble. Most of all, we don't know shit. We can only hope to be right sometimes, and manage yourself all the times. All right. Till next time, my friends. This Sunday with my buddy Hawkeye. Oh, to get it going. All right. I don't know if people on YouTube will be able to see, but I'll be able to upload a copy of it to YouTube, which I will do. All right. Till next time, my friends. Peace the fuck out.